Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a lemon chicken tikka, and it's very tasty and very delicious recipe, and it's going to be oil free, oil-less cooking. I'm going to use 2 chicken breasts. It's a boneless, skinless, 2 lemon, black pepper, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, 1 teaspoon each, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, half teaspoon each. And let's start making our delicious lemon chicken tikka. The chicken is cut into nice pieces. I washed with cold water and it's a nice big chunks. So when we're going to make lemon chicken tikka, they're going to taste really good. Now I'm going to bring dry spices, salt, black pepper, coriander powder, cumin powder, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder. I'm going to cut the lemon, so I'm going to get the seed. If there is any seed, you can catch it. This is perfect. That many seed. This is going to be our marination. I'm going to use a tandoori masala, 1 teaspoon. This is strictly optional. Tandoori masala going to give us a nice color. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to cover it and we're going to let it sit for half an hour. Lemon chicken tikka has been rested for half an hour. We're going to mix it. I'm going to open up the fryer and we're going to place chicken tikka. Just like this. And we're going to spread it evenly. We're going to place this one into fryer. We're going to start and we're going to keep the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and we're going to keep it for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to open it. We're going to move around. It's already started and we'll come back after 10 minutes. It's exactly 10 minutes. I'm going to open it. Now I'm going to move around. We set up for 20 minutes and 10 minutes are done. Now I'm going to close it and I'm going to open it after 5 minutes. We're going to check if it needs more 5 minutes, then altogether 20 minutes. Cooking exactly 15 minutes. Another 5 minutes of cooking. I'm going to open it. If it needs more cooking, then we'll keep it another 5 minutes. Wow, look at these. They all looking deliciously done. So I don't think we need to cook more. 15 minutes, we are done. So I'm going to dish out our quick and easy lemon chicken tikka. I hope you're going to like it. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.